To transfer from Webull to Coinbase, you will need to follow a series of steps. First, you need to have an account on both Webull and Coinbase. If you do not have an account, sign up for one on the respective websites. Start by logging into your Webull account and navigating to the transfer page. This page is usually found under the account or portfolio section. From here, you can initiate a withdrawal of your assets to an external account. Since you want to transfer to Coinbase, you will need to withdraw to a bank account or a cryptocurrency address. If you are transferring a cryptocurrency, you will need the Coinbase cryptocurrency address for the specific coin you want to transfer. You can find this address by logging into your Coinbase account and navigating to the accounts page. From here, select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer and click on the Receive button. This will display the address you need to enter into Webull. Once you have the address, go back to Webull and enter it into the transfer page. Make sure to double-check that the address is correct, as cryptocurrency transactions are irreversible. If you are transferring a fiat currency, you will need to link your bank account to Webull and initiate a withdrawal to that account. From there, you can link the same bank account to Coinbase and deposit the funds into your Coinbase account. After initiating the transfer, it may take some time for the funds to settle into your Coinbase account. The time it takes will depend on the type of transfer you initiated and the processing times of both Webull and Coinbase. It is also important to note that there may be fees associated with transferring from Webull to Coinbase. These fees can include withdrawal fees from Webull, deposit fees into Coinbase, and any potential network fees for cryptocurrency transactions. To avoid any potential issues, make sure to follow the instructions carefully and double-check all the information you enter. It is also a good idea to transfer a small test amount first to ensure everything is working correctly before transferring larger amounts.